everyone, Sarah here again today using the Summer Loving Kit from Tiara Kits. I am going to be making an 8.5 by 11 today, and this is how I'm starting. Of course, coffee. I mean, I think I always have coffee, even in my videos. I am trying to make a decision if I'm going to use which floral paper, I was going to use this time, but I figured I would go ahead and use this one since it's almost gone. And so I was just figuring out where I was going to cut it off at, because I'm just pretty much going to have that down the center of the page and have my photos inside of that. Of course, I'm going to rough up the edges, which I did with my scissors there, and made some gashes in it. And I'm going to go ahead and tape that to the center of this layout. This layout is extremely fast. I think altogether it may have taken me 15 minutes, and I've sped it up at this point. So I went ahead and had that down in the center. I'm going to back it with a couple papers. I am going to use a yellow and an orange, but I'm going to use patterned papers instead of just plain cardstock. But I'm also going to go ahead and use the actual back side of that paper, the yellow one that is, because it's got the cute clouds on it, and I just wanted a little blue. I don't do that yet, but I'm going to. I kept trying, maybe a different color or something, but I actually end up keeping the yellow and the orange, but I also decide to go ahead and use that blue cloud paper as well. I just wanted to add a little more of the blue into it. And so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do here now. I think I'm going to adhere it down first and then just go ahead and cut it with it stuck to it already. Let's see. And then I'll go ahead and start adhering the other ones down after I rough them up. And so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do here. I roughed both of those up. And then I'm going to start playing with the ephemera. I love these bright colors. And so I go ahead and I'm adding those into it as well. I chose Life is Good as my title. It was just one of the ephemera pieces there, and I liked it. I almost went with the red one, or I Heart Summer, I think is what it said. But I liked this one better, and I did a little more layering because there was lighter colors down there. And I wanted to use stickers from this sticker sheet so bad. I hadn't been doing it. I kept having it set off to the side and forgetting I had it. So I wanted to make sure I pulled it out and used them. And I realized, hey, I haven't stuck that down, so I might need to do that. And then I go ahead and mess up the edges here. And the fact that I'm only going to use part of it, or only part of these little tags are going to be seen, I made sure to cut them off so I had them for later as well. And I actually used the other part of this tag on another layout previously. But I went ahead and used the rest of it on this, and I'm going to add that. And then I love these cute little labels that Tracy put in the kits. I'm going to add some 3D foam from my stash to the back of the sunshine. I'm going to add a little cloud behind it. Add my glue and stick it down. I added another cloud over to the left-hand side. And I'm kind of roughing these up even more, the little cuts. And I'm going to add the butterfly over here on the right, just to where the little twirly path, I guess is what it's pretty much supposed to be, of the butterfly sticks there into that little gap. And I'm going to add sunglasses. Let's Go Outside is that little orange sticker up top by the top photo. And of course, I had to use this cute little scalloped border piece there. And let's see, what else am I going to do? Oh, yeah, this one says Bring on the Sunshine. I love the purple, so I wanted to make sure to use a little bit more of that. And then the cute little pinwheels. I used 2 of them on this layout. And I dropped my earbud. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'm just going through to see if there's a little more that I want to use. I like all the pieces. I could probably use a ton of it on there, but it would be so overpowering. I'm going to grab this from my stash and add some gold splatters, and that will finish this layout out for me. I love the brightness of this. I love the kit because of all the gorgeous colors. It fits perfectly with summer. I really hope that you enjoyed this layout. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and down below will be links to the Tiara Kits shop and the Facebook group. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.